It took me so long to get started on YouTube, and this was mainly because of two reasons. Now, the first was because I've always wanted to show my face somehow in my videos, but I couldn't come around to find the confidence to do that. And the second reason was because I did not have a proper YouTube studio background or lighting setup like those big YouTubers you see out there, and this was kind of intimidating for me getting started until I discovered a simple and free method to use AI to create simple backgrounds like this one you're seeing on screen that made my videos look more professional. So if you're anything like me and you're having the same fears I once had getting started on YouTube, this video is definitely for you. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create simple, clean and minimalist looking, professional looking backgrounds using free AI softwares like the one you're currently seeing on screen. And now guys, in contrast, I'm going to show you guys where I'm actually recording this video from, and please keep this a secret. And guys, please, in order to assure me that my secret is safe with you, please leave me a comment in the comment section saying your secret is safe. Now, in order for this method to work flawlessly, you need two things. And the first is a stable surface where you get to place your recording device. It could be your camera, it could be your phone. And for instance, I'm recording using my phone. And the second is a properly lit environment. And for instance, I opened up all my windows, as you usually saw. I opened up all my windows and my curtains, and I'm getting natural light. So what you're seeing is not any studio lighting. It is pure and simple natural light reflecting on me. And guys, lest I forget, in order for this method to work flawlessly, you need a third factor, and that is you want to try and stay as stable as possible and avoid moving all over the place while recording the video. Because if you continue moving all over the place, it's going to just make this video look unprofessional and all blurry, and there will be some black spots all over the place, and it's not going to come out as professional as you actually want it. So with all this being said, let's jump straight into my system so I can show you guys the easy method on how you can use free AI to get this method to work for you. And now the first thing you want to do is head over to your browser and type in leonardo.ai. And after this, you're going to be taken over to their sign up and sign in page. I already used the software, so I'm just going to sign into my account and we are going to continue from there. And while you are signed into leonardo.ai, go over to the image generation section and click on it. And after clicking on it, the area for which you are supposed to input your prompt is going to appear. I discovered that a good prompt can mean the difference between a bad image, or should I say a poorly presented image, and an adequately presented image, especially when it comes to AI softwares that are designed to generate images. So I've taken my time to go through a short, or should I say brief crash course on prompt engineering, and this is a particular prompt I used to get these particular results you're going to be seeing on screen. It goes straight to the point to inform the AI on all the key points I want it to touch and the kind of image I want it to produce for me. The images it's going to generate are going to correlate with exactly that, and also correlate seamlessly with my YouTube brand in total. So I'm going to be dropping the prompt somewhere, I think in the description section if it's not too long, and also in the comment section for you guys to easily copy and use it on your own videos. And now it is done generating, and as you can see, these images are stunning. If you take a look at my YouTube logo and my YouTube branding, you'll discover that we have orange colors, blue, and a touch of white here and there. And if you look at the image also, it tallies perfectly with my brand and my style. And you can easily tweak and adjust it to fit your own style of your own channel. After the AI has generated the images for you, all you have to do next is to simply download these images into your desktop, and let's head over to the next chapter. So I just imported the images we're going to be using into the second software we're going to be using for this process, which is CapCut. Now the first thing you're going to do is drag down the image into the timeline, and then drag down the video and let the video be on top of the image as an overlay. After doing this, you drag the image to fit properly with the video in the same proportion and length. And after this, you click on the video and you hover your mouse over to the cutout option and go down and click on auto cutout. And as you can see, it's currently processing the video. Now, as the video is being rendered, you want to start working on the image. You want to hover your mouse over to the effect section, and under the effect section, you click on the blur effect and click on the plus sign on the blur to apply this effect on the image alone. You want to easily drag the blur effect on your timeline to fit where the image ends. And now you want to readjust your blur effect, as you can see on screen, to your preferred intensity. And after this, you want to rearrange your timeline by easily drag and dropping your video on top of the blur effect and your background image. Now you can go ahead to readjust your video. After you're done with this, you can rearrange and organize your video to fit the screen nicely. And that, guys, is how easy it is to create a professional looking fake YouTube background for your YouTube videos to make your videos look more professional. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.